Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Healing. I'm healer Nishok. Today we are going to see chakra meditation. They say there are 7 chakras, but today we are going to see 10 chakras. My Guru Healer Bhaskar taught me 10 chakras: Mooladharam, Swadhisthhanam, Manipuragam, Anahadam, Vishuddhi, Agna. This is Sahasrara, Karma Yoga Chakra, pineal gland. Then this is Guru Chakra. This is spiritual chakra. And we are going to see what kind of mudras we are going to use. First we are going to use Bhairava or Bhairavi mudra. Bhairava mudra is all male will keep the right hand on top. All female will keep the left hand on top. Okay, this is called Bhairava and Bhairavi mudra. This we are going to use for first 3 chakras. Then we are going to use Namaskar mudra. From here, we are going to use Namaskar mudra. Then we are going to use Deer mudra. Here in pineal gland, in Karma Yoga chakra, we are going to keep Deer mudra. Then we will go back to Namaskar mudra, and finally we are going to do Chin mudra. Right? So these 4 mudras you remember: male Bhairava, female Bhairavi, the Namaskar mudra for both, then Deer mudra for one chakra, and finally for one chakra this is Chin mudra. We are going to focus on that particular chakra. Once we are going to say all 3 words, these words will activate the chakra. Right? We are not going to say flatly A, U, Im. We are going to say, we have to increase the volume, go to the peak and come down.
Breathe in and breathe out while making the sound. Breathe in. Breathe in. Mooladhara chakra represents earth element.
The placement is the end of your tailbone. Your tailbone is there, right, at the back. At the end, you just draw a horizontal line. In the middle of your body, imagine there is a chakra that is called Mooladhara chakra. That represents earth element, that takes care of spleen and stomach. The spleen and stomach is the reason for blood circulation, and it takes care of digestion and immunity and everything. Earth element, spleen and stomach also resolves all the gastric issues and ulcers, stomach ulcers and food pipe ulcers, and all the problem in their mouth, lips. Next is Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana represents water element. Water element takes care of kidney and urinary bladder. It takes care of all uterus related issue, and it takes care of hair, bone, teeth and nail related issues. That takes care of your ear problem. There is a disturbance and hearing problem, and all those things will be taken care. Then third is Manipuragam. Manipuragam represents fire element. It takes care of heart and small intestine. It is responsible for all the circulation, blood circulation and lymphatic system and everything. And next is Anahadam. Anahadam represents air element. Air element, when you meditate on air element, if you take care of the chakra, that takes care of lungs and large intestine, and it will take care of cold, cough, sinus and constipation. It will resolve all these issues. It will take care of all the skin related issues. And we have Vishuddhi. Vishuddhi takes care of sky element, and the organ is liver and gallbladder, and this takes care of detoxification of blood and eyesight and lot of other issues. In muscles, it takes care of all the muscle related issues, and also it cures thyroid. Whoever has thyroid, you must do this every day regularly. It will take care of thyroid. It will cure thyroid issues. The next is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the master of all the glands in our body. When you meditate, it will take care of all other glands. If other glands are not working also, it will activate and it will give power and it will make it active, and it will create immunity, and it will make sure all other glands are working in optimum level, and it will improve memory power and bring good health. Next is pineal gland. Pineal gland is here. This is called invisible gland. This gland is Karma Yoga chakra. This will purify our mind and body. And next is Guru chakra, just few inches, 2 or 3 inches above your head. Guru chakra, you will get gurus. Whatever doubts you have in your life, when this chakra is strong, you meditate regularly, this will bring answers. It will bring gurus automatically to you, and your doubts will be resolved automatically. That universe will bring answers to your questions. Now I'm going to show you spiritual chakra. Your hand should be like this. Your hand should touch your ears. Do like this, and this is spiritual chakra. You have to focus here. There is a light here, bright light here. Focus. If you activate this chakra, your spiritual knowledge, your connection to the universe will improve. After this, we will slowly bring your hand using Chin Mudra. You will still focus on here, your pituitary gland between your eyebrows, and do Aum. Then we will do 2 minutes of meditation. Then we will complete that chakra meditation. In each chakra, when you focus, just imagine there is a bright light there in chakra, in the place middle of the body. This is your body. In the middle, you draw a line in the middle. In everywhere you keep your hands, you imagine there is a chakra in the middle of the body. And the chakra is a bright light, white bright light, the glowing. Whenever you do Aum, end of it, you feel that the light is growing, the chakra is energized. So that way you have to imagine for each and every chakra. Let's start chakra meditation now. I'm going to keep Bhairava Mudra. Female will keep Bhairavi Mudra. So Bhairava Mudra, you imagine your tailbone. At the bottom of your tailbone, you draw a horizontal line back to front, and middle of your body you imagine a chakra. That is Mooladhara chakra, that represents earth element. We will start our meditation. Next, Swadhisthana, 2 inches below your navel. 2 inches means everyone should measure from your own finger. This is 1 inch, this is 2 inches. This distance from your navel. Just imagine a chakra inside, that is Swadhisthana, that represents water element. Water element takes care of kidney and urinary bladder. Anything and everything related to kidney and urinary bladder will get resolved when this chakra is activated. Let's begin. So you must have noticed I have done volume, you have to increase it. For everything you have to do that. Next, Manipuragam, that is in front of navel, exactly on top of navel. You will keep your hands and you will imagine there is a chakra inside your body, middle of your body. First three chakras we used Bhairava or Bhairavi Mudra. The fourth chakra we are going to use Namaskar Mudra. Anahadam. Between your chest, keep it here. Focus here. Let's start. The end of this, you should imagine there is a bright light inside this Anahadam. All these four chakras we already activated. All these four chakras are bright and glowing, and chakras are purified. It's working, it's doing its duty. Fifth chakra, Vishupti. This represents sky element. Sky element is related to liver and gallbladder. It takes care of all muscle related issues, eyesight, and detoxifying the body, blood.
It cures thyroid issue also.
If you give power to every element, every chakra, it resolves hundreds of diseases, known or unknown. It resolves hundreds of diseases, removes from the body, or it prevents. So each chakra is very, very important. And let's begin. Just imagine there is a chakra inside your neck, in the middle of the neck, and it glows when you do this chakra meditation. Again, we are going to use Namaskar Mudra. Next, pituitary gland between your eyebrows. Keep your focus there. Now we are going to use Deer Mudra next. On top of your head, this is Karma Yoga Chakra. You should imagine there's a bright light in each chakras. Next, Guru Chakra. Just few inches, 2 or 3 inches above your head. Now we are going to see spiritual chakra. Your hands should touch your ears and keep it like this. Then your focus should be here, this area. Slowly you bring your hands to the thighs with Chin Mudra. Now we come down from 9th chakra to 10th chakra. We have to be in Chin Mudra. Your focus will be in between the eyebrows, in pituitary gland. Let's do the chakra meditation. So we completed all 10 chakras. We should be in meditation for 2 minutes with your eyes closed. After 2 minutes of meditation, we just imagine the divine power is filling in your body. All your chakras are glowing. All your 10 chakras, 9 chakras are glowing, like a bright light. You activated all your chakras and it's working in your body. You have a great joy in your life, great happiness, great health, wealth, prosperity and peace of mind. Everything is filling in your body. Just imagine the divine power is filling like a light in your body. You are blessed. All your issues or challenges in life is resolved. All your health issues are resolved. Your body heals itself. It started healing itself. Your body is purified. You are healed. You are healed. You are completely alright. You are energetic. Let's complete the meditation. Just rub gently and rub it on your face. And look at your palm. Open your eyes now. Now we are done with chakra meditation. Have a great life, healthy life.